Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bake some nice, juicy, spicy, delicious pork chops. Here I have two beautiful pieces of pork chops. And you know I already washed them. I washed them with water and vinegar and I pat dry them. I'm going to go in with some powdered seasoning. I'll be listing the full recipe below. Now you want to season that well, and it's always best to let your meat marinate for a couple of hours or overnight. Cover with foil and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's it. They are all done. Smell good. You see how juicy they are? The fork went right through them. They are nice and soft.